Hey guys, my name is Julie Fei-Fan Balzer, and I'm a working artist living outside of Boston. So one of the things I do as a working artist, meaning this is my full-time job, is I sell my artwork in my shop. And so this is a day when I'm doing some shipping. So I thought I would take you with me and you could see a little bit about how I package things up when I ship them. So in the past, I've been scolded for using too much plastic in my packaging. So instead, I've converted over to paper. So this is a small wooden canvas. You can see I've signed it in the back. So I'm also going to put a business card in. So I like Moo business cards because you can get all different designs on your card. So lots of different things. And then the backs are all the same. So I just take one, put it in the back. Oh, and I do have a Moo discount code for you, which I'll put in the comments beneath here. So my goal here is mostly just to wrap this canvas up like a present. A, because it's nice to get a present, but B, just to protect everything. So I have some little stickers that I like to use. And I'm going to go ahead and secure the front with a sticker. It says everyone is creative. Then there's too much paper here, so I'm just going to trim it off. And now I'm just going to wrap this up like a package. So the paper serves two purposes, really. The first purpose is you want it to protect, the corners and the piece and the whole thing. The second is you want people to feel like something special is happening. Actually, this is tape that I made. You can see that. But I think the homemade tape, yes, I could use regular washi tape, and I have. But again, you're just trying to make it a special experience. People are buying handmade art. I have a couple different designs. Again, they have my name and stuff on the back, and just say a quick thank you so much, and sign it. And then this just goes into a mailer. So I found for these small canvases that these little these sort of flat-ish mailers work really well. They don't get bent, nothing happens. It's totally safe inside, and it's been a really good shipping choice for me. So once the mailer is closed, I also put on a thank you sticker. This is both practical. I want to make sure this is really closed, and it's just a really nice finishing touch to say thank you. The other two pieces I'm packing up today are this one, Time Gone By, and this one called Gray Water. So I'll do the same process with both of these, wrap them in paper, put on my custom-made tape, which it looks like I need to make some more of that. Add all my stickers, my business cards, all that stuff, and send them off to their new homes. So I actually just ran out of the thank you stickers. I have to order some more. So I took this old sticker that says I don't clean my stencils, and I combine it with this again to seal it and just to add a finishing touch. It's not quite as good. Can't believe I didn't realize I needed to order more. So the final thing that I'm shipping out today is a scrap pack. This is a pack of literally just the scraps and stuff that I use in my studio. Some of them I've already used. You can see like rips, tears, cuts. They're literally the leftover scraps. So I'm going to ship that off. That just goes in a plain manila envelope. I will also put in a business card. And then, like I said, I'm out of the thank you stickers, unfortunately. So I'm going to pop one of these on, and I'm just going to write on the outside, thank you so much. When you make art, I think the thing that you really want is for people to connect with your work. You want people to see what you make and say, oh, I see myself, I see my story, I connect with you. Because after all, as an artist, what you're doing is you're putting your heart out there. You're showing people how you see the world. I've always thought that it's as if you looked inside my head, my artwork would be really what you would see. That's how I see the world, with patterns and colors and crazy things colliding against each other. And so when people buy my work and want to bring it into their homes, I always feel like I've met a kindred spirit. I've met somebody who gets me, or maybe I get them. But I feel like there's a wonderful connection, and that is so exciting. So if you've ever bought original art from anybody at all, I'm sure that they feel the same way too. It's a really special thing that you can do for somebody to take a little bit of their heart, their soul, their brain, their energy into your home for display. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this peek into the studio, and I'll see you next week.